In a quiet corner of North Wales, a team of engineers works on something extraordinary. Wings so vast they could shelter a fleet of buses, yet so precise they can slice through the air with grace. These are the wings of the Airbus A380, the largest passenger aircraft ever built. But in 2025, the story isn't about size alone. It's about evolution, a challenge to create something stronger, lighter, and greener for the skies of tomorrow. The world demands cleaner flight, and Airbus believes the answer begins right here, inside the wings of a giant. When the A380 first took flight in 2005, it was more than an aircraft. It was a declaration that human engineering could defy scale and still achieve beauty. But time changed the skies. Airlines sought smaller, more efficient jets, and the A380's reign seemed to end when production stopped. Now, in 2025, Airbus breathes new life into its greatest creation. The A380's wings are being rebuilt not to repeat history, but to prove that even giants can evolve. Every masterpiece has a birthplace. For the A380's wings, that place is Broughton in North Wales, a factory so vast it has its own airfield. Here, thousands of engineers and machines work in harmony, assembling 32,000 precision parts into one seamless structure. Every rib, every spar, every panel must fit within microscopic tolerances, because even a hair's breadth of error could change how the air flows across the wing and how the entire aircraft flies. The process is slow, deliberate, and exacting, but perfection takes time. The A380's wings stretch almost 80 meters from tip to tip, longer than a football field. They weigh more than 40 tons before ever touching the sky. But this immense structure is no rigid hulk of metal. It flexes, bends, and breathes with the atmosphere. Each wing is designed to twist during flight, adapting to the pressures of air and altitude. It's a living design, a balance between strength and grace, built to endure the impossible. In 2025, Airbus reimagines the A380's wings through a new material revolution: advanced carbon composites. These fibers, woven tighter than steel, are lighter, stronger, and infinitely more efficient. The result is a wing that weighs 20% less yet delivers the same lift and stability. This breakthrough is part of Airbus' Wing of Tomorrow program, an innovation movement reshaping the future of flight. Here, the wings are not just built, they are engineered for a new world, one where sustainability is as vital as speed. Before a single part is forged, the A380's wings live inside a digital twin, a full-scale 3D replica that breathes data. Engineers can simulate every bolt, every rivet, every gust of air. This digital model allows them to see years of flight, wear, and weathering before a single screw is turned. Every improvement, every design evolution, is tested virtually, saving time, cost, and materials. It's the perfect union of software and steel, and the way Airbus ensures every A380 wing is flawless before it's even born. Robots build the future, but humans still define it. Inside Airbus, robotic systems measure, drill, and rivet with perfect accuracy. Yet every wing still passes through the hands of seasoned craftsmen. These men and women have spent decades mastering the art of precision. Their eyes catch what machines can't see. Their touch feels what sensors can't measure. The A380's wings may be born of automation, but their soul is human. Once complete, each massive wing faces a challenge almost as great as flight itself: the journey to Toulouse, France. Through narrow roads and winding rivers, the wings travel as part of an extraordinary logistical ballet known as the Beluga Route. At its heart flies the Beluga XL, Airbus's own supertransporter, a plane designed to carry the wings of another plane. It's a surreal sight, one giant aircraft carrying the arms of another across the skies of Europe. In Toulouse, the wings meet their counterpart, the colossal A380 fuselage. Here, thousands of components are joined in an intricate choreography of engineering. Hydraulic veins, electrical nerves, and structural bones connect with flawless precision. When the wings lock into place, the aircraft transforms from parts into presence, a Titan reborn. And as the wings flex for the first time, rising toward the hangar lights, the engineers witness a moment that never loses its magic. The moment when steel and carbon become capable of flight. Before it can soar, the A380's wings must prove themselves worthy of the sky. In testing halls, they're stretched, twisted, and pushed beyond their breaking point. Sensors capture every vibration, every strain, every whisper of fatigue. The wings bend nearly 7 meters upward, defying what seems physically possible. And yet, they endure. When the data confirms success, it's not just a victory for Airbus. It's proof that human ambition still has no ceiling. In 2025, the A380's new wings carry more than just passengers. They carry a message that even in an age of change, innovation can breathe new life into giants. These wings symbolize more than flight. They embody human persistence, precision, and imagination. Every bolt, every fiber, every innovation tells a story of evolution, from the past's greatest aircraft to the future's cleanest skies. And as another A380 lifts gracefully into the horizon, one truth remains clear. The wings of tomorrow are already here, and they're ready to change the world once again. From a sheet of carbon fiber to a soaring masterpiece, the A380's wings remind us that the greatest heights begin with a single idea. Innovation never sleeps, and neither does the dream of flight. If you've enjoyed this journey inside the heart of aviation, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more stories that celebrate human engineering and the skies above. Because here at Skyforge Aviation, the future of flight is just getting started.